Have you ever heard of the Bitcoin hash rate and its correlation with the price? Well, Bitcoin's hash rate just reached a new all-time high, and this could have a huge impact on the price. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, we'll talk about a possible Bitcoin price explosion. You don't want to miss this. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important metrics in the world of Bitcoin, the hash rate. Bitcoin's hash rate has just hit a new all-time high, and in this video, we're going to break down what that means for the network, its security, and, most importantly, the price of Bitcoin. Let's get started. Before we dive into the impact of the recent hash rate increase, let's quickly break down what the hash rate actually is. The hash rate is the computational power of the Bitcoin network. It measures the processing power miners use to verify transactions and add blocks to the blockchain. The higher the hash rate, the more miners are working on securing the network. In simple terms, a higher hash rate means more security, and a stronger network makes Bitcoin harder to attack or manipulate. It's like the heartbeat of the Bitcoin blockchain. So, what does it mean that the Bitcoin hash rate just reached a new all-time high of nearly 950 million terahashes per second? This is a clear indicator of growing confidence in Bitcoin's security and future potential. More miners are joining the network, investing in Bitcoin's infrastructure and believing in its long-term value. But the increase in hash rate isn't just about security. It also signals that institutional investors and big players are continuing to bet on Bitcoin's future, even in the face of market fluctuations. This could be a positive sign for Bitcoin's future. If you want to make smarter decisions in the crypto market, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I share strategies and insights to help you become a better investor. So, how does the hash rate affect the Bitcoin price? When the hash rate increases, it typically indicates more trust in the network. More miners are willing to invest in securing the Bitcoin blockchain, which suggests that they believe in the long-term value of Bitcoin. Historically, an increase in the hash rate has often been followed by a price increase. Why is this important? Well, if the network is more secure and decentralization is growing, investors feel more confident in holding and buying Bitcoin. Security is one of the key factors that drive demand. More demand means a higher price. Now, let's talk about the future price potential of Bitcoin. If this hash rate growth continues, we could see Bitcoin break new price records by the end of 2025 or early 2026. With increasing network security and growing institutional adoption, we could see Bitcoin's price rise significantly. If the trend continues, we could even see Bitcoin reaching $180,000 to $250,000 by the end of this year or early next year. Of course, this isn't guaranteed, but the signs are looking promising. This is why many investors are feeling confident about Bitcoin's future. So, in summary, the new all-time high in Bitcoin's hash rate is a clear sign of increasing trust in the Bitcoin network. It means more miners are investing in securing the network, which could potentially lead to a price increase. As we move forward, if the hash rate continues to rise, we could see Bitcoin prices between $180,000 and $250,000 by the end of this year or early next year. What do you think? Will the increase in hash rate lead to a major price explosion? Share your thoughts in the comments below.